Okay, all right, Mitesh, thanks a lot for that. Mitesh, if you could just stay on, I wanted your view on how the charts are shaping up with two stocks. One is JTL, as well as the other one is APL Apollo Tubes, which has been a big outperformer. If you look at it today, both the two stocks are moving in opposite directions. APL Apollo Tubes is a little bit lower in today's trading session, while JTL is higher. Both of them came out with their quarterly update. Now, APL Apollo Tubes in the last few months, actually, it's already corrected close to around 15% from the recent peak. And you'll see there's been a stark underperformance out there between both of them, close to around 15%. If you just compare APL with JTL Industries. What happened overnight? Well, we got the quarterly update. For APL Apollo Tubes, well, the numbers are a little bit disappointing. There's a sequential decline. They say that, in fact, there was some destocking that, in fact, has hurt them because of the price volatility out there. So, on a sequential basis, there's a decline. On a year-on-year basis, the number is flattish. JTL, on the flip side, on a far smaller base and a far smaller size, well, those numbers look very good, both on a sequential basis as well as on a year-on-year basis. But the VAP, the value-added product contribution, for APL Apollo Tubes is much higher. They are headed from around that 50%, 55, 56%, to around 59%. JTL on the flip side, well, it's much lower. And they said that they had a maintenance shutdown, and that's what's impacted them. But going ahead, JTL is saying that the VAP will move to around 40%. So let's see how they go about that. On a valuation front, JTL has some valuation comfort. Earlier, it was at around 16, 17 times, but post this recent run-up, now the stock trades at around 22 times. It's still a big discount in comparison to APL Apollo Tubes. What are the big triggers for both the stocks from here on? For APL Apollo Tubes, well, the numbers were quite disappointing, but their Raipur unit, that one is ramping up. So we'll have to see how this ramps up. They're also, setting up that unit in Dubai. So sales from there as well will help improve the numbers going ahead. And they remain reasonably optimistic that demand will return. So that's on APL Apollo Tubes. On JTL, the promoter entity has already gone ahead and they've said they're going to infuse money at 270 rupees. That's a sharp premium in comparison to the current price. But the QIP participation will be very important. They have announced 500 crores of QIP participation. So let's see how things go. For today at least, JTL is outperforming APL Apollo Tubes because of the valuation comfort and because their quarterly update as well looked quite good. So just thought we put that out for our viewers.